Hello? Hello?
Hello?
What's going on, bro?
What's going on, dog?
Hi, I'm good, man. Hanging in there. How everything going out there?
Another day, man. Another day. Niggas still shooking from this shit. You feel me?
Yeah, I heard it. I ain't know it was three. You said it was three back to back?
Yeah, hell yeah. It happened like around 8 in the morning, 5 at night, and like around 10 at night again.
Damn, man. What side it hit over there?
Well, in the south side, the countryside.
Yeah, 'cause I see on news it's over 700 people died.
Yeah, a lot of people died, bro.
Damn, bro, man. So I get you back from out that place. It's always something out there.
I told you, every time I'm working on some shit, man, some shit always pop up. That's the crazy shit, bro. That's the shit that's crazy about being over here and shit. You feel me?
Yeah, you trying to work on getting back, and then something else pop up.
Pop up, hell yeah.
Yeah, glad you're okay. You and the family are safe out there.
We alright, you feel me? It's just everybody still sleeping in the street and shit, cause it's scared.
Damn, man.
It's scared and shit, cause you feel me? At any time, the earth could shake again.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, man. Yeah, I'll be
Cause
praying
you know,
for
them
y'all
people,
over there.
them people, they used, I mean, they went to this like 2010 with the 12 of January 2010.
Oh,
That
yeah,
shit
I
happened
remember that.
before.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like 230,000 people died.
It was 230, yeah?
Yeah,
I ain't know
almost
that.
300,000. Almost 300,000 people had died. Almost.
Damn, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
But
praying
you know,
for
them
y'all.
people, everybody praying and shit, everybody so everybody be okay.
Yo.
You know, it's a day at a time.
Yeah, that's a
Shit,
hope.
banks closed. The people that got money in the bank can't go get their money. Only shit that's open is like people that send people transfer and shit. They could get this shit because, you know what I mean? They don't want people to stay hungry. But, shit crazy.
And how the earth, how it looking over there, they saying it might start again or it's over.
Well, we don't know. Shit, to tell you the truth, we don't know. For me, I think it will stop. For me, that's what I think. But you know, them people, they went through this shit already. You feel me? So the way they talking, it feels like, you know what I mean. When this shit happen, it feels like for the next few weeks, shit's like crazy. Cause there's one side of the country from the north side, like the sea water, like in the ocean.
Mm-hmm.
The ocean look like it withdraw itself. And from the south side, the land got all the waters.
So it shifted all the way to the other side.
Yeah.
Damn.
So, you know what I mean? People thought there was going to be a tsunami, you know what I mean? Like when the ocean went go raise up and shit. So they were scared. Toward today, they scared of that shit because the way they see the weather looking all crazy.
Yeah, somebody was told me they thought it was one down there. That's why I wanted to hear from you, you know, but it wasn't. It just looked like one.
It's crazy, bro. The thing is, you know what I mean? We're okay. Life is safe. My house got cracked, but it didn't fall down.
Oh, your house. Oh, I didn't know that. Damn.
We got cracked and shit. One side of it got cracked. But it was fixed. Got a little door, I fixed that shit. But some people's houses fall down. Some people don't even made it out.
Damn.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, y'all blessed, man. Just pray for you, man. You know, because we from up here, you know, we know more about on this side.
Mm-hmm. I mean, if nothing, you know what I mean? I ain't gonna know. Shit was happening right there in Atlanta with the water shit, with the earthquake. No, not with the earthquake, with the fucking storm and shit. They ain't want to pass that shit to the TV. You feel me?
Yeah.
I remember that was the time Bush was president.
Yeah, you remember that, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. Yeah, they're going through a lot over there in Haiti. You know, they should let the people back, you know, that was from up here, you know, they trying to United States, you know, I don't know.
The people that's Muslim, they calling Allah, you know what I mean? People that's Christian calling God, Allah calling you God.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, it is. It's so much.
Imagine the country was already bad already. They done killed president and all that shit. You feel me?
Yeah, I was wondering what happened. Why that happened to him like that?
Dude, they assassinated the president.
Damn. What? You
Everything
said?
was for the people.
Oh, the people.
The president he wanted to change certain shit, but people that's making money in the country don't want that shit. That's why they end up dead.
Damn, man. So he was trying to make it better for the poor people?
Damn.
Damn.
That's how it goes. You don't want to have something for the poor people. The rich motherfucker ain't gonna take that shit. Cause out here, there's two kind of people. What we call we call how they call them shit in the mixed motherfuckers. The mixed motherfuckers that's half white, half black.
Yeah.
We call them Milat. We call them in Creole. I forgot the name in English. But them people, they don't want power. They don't want the money.
Damn.
You feel me? The black people, you know what I mean?